Xiaomi Mi Mix 4. Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 is one of the best mobiles in the market. It comprises of every advanced feature starting from well-built, strong, high-end, a fast-performing processor with copious RAM, which gives an uninterrupted performance while playing online games, multitasking. It is equipped with dual rear cameras with high megapixels which produce an amazing colorful detailed picture. The front camera has also high megapixel which yields nice selfies. However, being a flagship handset, it must have included the option of expandable memory. Display and camera. Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 comes with stunning 6.4-inch AMOLED bezel-less display. It has a screen resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels with a pixel density of 537 ppi. The screen of this device is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. In terms of optics, it is one of the best in the market. It takes pride in showing off 108MP plus 16MP plus 12MP plus 8MP primary cameras. This helps to produce a stunningly detailed image. The front camera is of 32MP and specially designed for very frequent selfie takers, which helps in producing amazing detailed selfies. Configuration and battery. It is equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 octa-core, 2.84 GHz single-core Cryo 485 plus 2.42 GHz, tri-core, Cryo 485 plus 1.8 GHz, quad-core, Cryo 485 processor and 6 GB RAM. It also has Adreno 640 graphics. This configuration ensures uninterrupted gaming, multitasking, online gaming, etc. It surely meets the needs of the next generation. It has a large battery capacity of 4500 mAh Li polymer battery. It has the advantage of wireless charging and fast charging, which claims to fill 50% of the battery in just half an hour. Storage and connectivity. It has an internal memory of 128 GB, but it has the drawback of non-expandable memory. In terms of connectivity, it supports 2G, 3G, 4G, VoLTE. Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 price. Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 price is expected to be $809.49, 57,990 rupees. Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 expected to be launched on March 4, 2020. This is 6 GB RAM, 128 GB internal storage base variant of Xiaomi Mi Mix 4, which is expected to available in black, gold color. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.